In recent years, the term metaverse has captured the imaginations of tech enthusiasts, entrepreneurs, and futurists alike. It promised a virtual realm where people could live, work, and play, transcending the boundaries of the physical world. However, if you noticed, the fervor surrounding the metaverse has seemingly cooled off. While it's not entirely out of the spotlight, it's no longer dominating headlines and conversations as it once did. Today in Software's Land, we'll explore why the metaverse isn't making as much noise as before. One of the primary reasons the metaverse isn't making headlines as it used to is the gradual shift from unrealistic hype to realistic expectations. Initially, many portrayed the metaverse as an all-encompassing virtual utopia which created enormous hype and anticipation. As the concept matured, people began to realize the immense challenges involved in building such a complex virtual world. Expectations have now become more grounded with a recognition that the metaverse is a long-term project, not an overnight sensation. The creation of a true metaverse is an ambitious undertaking that involves solving numerous technical challenges. Issues such as network infrastructure, server scalability, data privacy, and security are significant roadblocks. Developing immersive virtual environments that are seamlessly interconnected requires substantial resources and time. Companies are investing heavily in research and development, but it takes time to overcome these hurdles. Another reason the metaverse isn't dominating headlines is the fragmented nature of its development. Unlike a single monolithic entity, the metaverse is taking shape through various projects, platforms, and initiatives. Companies like Facebook, now Meta, Epic Games, and Roblox are working on their version of Metaverse. This fragmentation can dilute the media's focus and make it seem as if progress is slow when, in reality, many individual projects are advancing steadily. As discussions around the Metaverse have deepened, so have concerns about privacy and ethics. The idea of a fully immersive virtual world raises questions about data security, surveillance, and the potential for abuse. This has prompted regulators and policymakers to scrutinize metaverse developments more closely. Striking a balance between innovation and safeguarding user rights has slowed down the metaverse's progression. The term metaverse itself has evolved and expanded over time. It's no longer confined to a single concept, but encompasses a broader spectrum of virtual experiences. Augmented reality (AR) and mixed reality (MR) technologies are also contributing to the metaverse's development. This semantic expansion can lead to confusion and make it seem like the metaverse is fading when, in fact, it's just evolving into a more comprehensive concept. The metaverse has transitioned from a purely speculative concept to a more mature market. Companies like Meta have made significant investments in virtual reality and augmented reality technologies. While these technologies are still evolving, they are no longer seen as mere experiments. The market has matured and the metaverse is becoming a tangible industry rather than just a buzzword. Building a thriving metaverse requires not only technological advancements but also user adoption. Getting people to embrace and actively participate in virtual worlds will take time. People need compelling reasons to spend significant portions of their lives in the metaverse, and these experiences are still evolving. In short, the metaverse may not be making headlines as it once did, but is far from forgotten. The shift from hype to realism, technical challenges, fragmentation, privacy concerns, evolving terminology, competitive noise, market maturity, and the slow process of user adoption all contribute to the quieter buzz surrounding the metaverse. However, it's essential to recognize that the metaverse's development is ongoing, and its impact on our lives is likely to be profound in the years to come. As technology advances and these challenges are addressed, we may find ourselves re-engaging with the metaverse with a newfound appreciation for its potential.